Alicia's steering the boat for the first time. Oh, there's a breaking wave. I think everybody wants to see your catwalk.
Give it a little shoulder, and that's how we do it.
That was a nice catwalk. Never actually hit bottom before, so I wonder how this will go. Welcome everyone. My name's Sage. I bought this boat for $1 and spent 2 weeks restoring it on the slipway, putting in a lot of hard work, blood, sweat and tears, learning a lot along the way. Now I'm living on the ocean, and have been for the past 2 years, sailing up the east coast of Australia, following the whale migration and adventuring into the reef, doing beach cleanups and making videos all along the way. If you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button. Be part of the crew. Join me on this wild adventure of life. Life's worth living and protecting, and that's what I'm here to do. To turn the boat to the left, you have to push this to the right. Okay. To turn the boat to the right, push this to the left. Oh, shit. Alicia's steering the boat for the first time. Alright, we're just about to go out the Bruns Bar. Absolutely minimal swell and a light southerly wind.
I'm excited and I feel pretty calm because that's calm.
I know,
as
how
long
good
as
is
that's
that?
calm, that just feels like a race.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a breaking wave. Heading out the Bruns Bar is always such an exciting moment because it's always the beginning of an awesome adventure for me. I'm always turning north, and yet again in this video I'm using some of my own music that I've created while editing. So yeah, the journey has begun. I hope you guys enjoy and enjoy the music. Alright, we're doing a goose wing today. The wind's pretty much directly behind us. What do they do for you?
Supposedly, they help with seasickness. So you do 3 fingers down, and you don't need these, you can massage the spot, but these actually put pressure on that spot. And I think they're scientifically proven. Scientifically proven.
Oh yeah? Cool! That's bloody great. We're just passing Snapper Rocks at the moment. What I want to do on this channel is talk about things that I'm really passionate about and want to create influential change in. And shark nets is something that I really do not want to support. These shark nets go 3 meters down and about 60 meters long. And I've dived under the shark nets before doing a protest with my dad with 7 News on board. And what we were doing in that protest was highlighting the fact that what humans can do as beings that aren't even meant to be in the ocean, sharks can do a lot better. The shark nets have caught over 70,000 creatures since they've been implemented on the east coast of Australia. And hearing those figures and seeing images and videos of animals that have been caught in these nets, literally starved of oxygen from someone's false sense of security, is a very sad thing to witness. Sharks are one of the most important species to have in our ecosystems worldwide. To have measures like this in place, it just seems like in another decade, like it's from another era. There's some amazing alternatives that people can be using, like the Shark Watch app which is an application that you can just download from iTunes. I can leave the link for the download of the app in the description below. Anyway, I'm here talking about it because I care about the ocean and I love sharks and I want to protect them, and I want everybody to know that sharks deserve to live just like we do. So if you can, share this video or share a post about shark nets, tell your friends about it, talk about it. It's worth talking about because having a healthy global ecosystem benefits us all. Okie dokie, so we're just about to come in through the bar. After travelling the east coast of Australia for a few years, over my time living on the ocean, I've actually never come across many young people. I thought I was the youngest person sailing and living on a boat until I ran into these two legends, Simon and Sophie. They actually have their own YouTube channel and have been documenting their journey up and down the east coast of Australia. I highly recommend going and checking out their YouTube channel. There's a lot of awesome videos on there. I'll leave the link for that in the description below. I'm just gonna pump some more fuel into the line. Hopefully that just gets it going again, otherwise we'll just use the wind to drift us into a spot and drop the anchor. Alright, we're back on. Something to do with the fuel. Maintenance to be done there. Same thing happened yesterday, just as we got into Southport. So it's happened twice now. So what are we doing right now?
Looking out at the beautiful speedboats.
You're giving me a catwalk lesson. I think everybody wants to see your catwalk.
It's just that there's a few hazards around.
I know, but all I hear is excuses.
We cross over and we stop. We just kind of have that semi-pissed off look. Give it a little shoulder.
Yeah.
Give it a little twirl. And that's how we do it.
That was a nice catwalk. Okay, well, we tried to be a bit cheeky and go on the inside of a port marker, and we've hit bottom. Lucky the tide's rising. I've never actually hit bottom before, so I wonder how this will go. At the moment we're well and truly stuck. Yes, we are well and truly stuck. You know what, these waves from this boat, are buried. So as we started to go back, the rudders started to turn. We're stuck.
At least we're stuck in a very beautiful location.
Yeah. Still got a few hours of the tide coming up, so we'll definitely get out.
You're not concerned that we won't?
Oh, there's a little bit of doubt that we might not.
What would prevent us from getting out? The rudder's been stuck?
The wind pushing us further onto the sandbank as the tide comes up. The strategy is pay close attention to the tide, and as soon as we start to move, just get ready to back off straight away. Any big boats that go past us, if they come with a big weight, then we'll try to back out during that. And if not, then we'll have to just wait for the tide. I just wriggled the rudders and created a path and we're off. just realised as that happened was our rudders were what were digging into the mud, and I was noticing as we were going back that the rudders like had all this tension on it. So what I did was I started to wriggle the rudders back and forward, which separated the sand and moved the mud out of the way so that we could get off the sandbank. We made it! That's fucking awesome!
All you had to do was just wriggle the rudders.
Yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna go around the pole. Alright, so it's shallow over there. We won't go over there.
Now we know to always go around the markers. It's incredible that right there is where we hit bottom, and it's such a short distance just to go around that marker, and it can completely change the course of your day, your week, and your life. So these guys were coming up very fast behind us, weren't they, babe?
Extremely. I think we've slowed them right down, brought them back into the present moment. They're looking for an overtaking lane, but we're in a single lane river here. We'll probably go for an overtake in this cross section of the river.
First opportunity they could get, they are.
We're just gonna go over, slide down the dunes, have a little picnic, enjoy the sun. It's super fun sliding down these dunes with you guys. Hope you like it. Preparing yourself for the run down the hill. Quick, it's hot! It's hot! Go, go, go!
The sun is beating down on our skin as we stare as the sun as it sets across the horizon. I feel everything I feel. Each day is so different. I don't know what is real, but I breathe and I move and I have fun. I win and lose all the things that happen all at once. I've learned to move through the highs, the lows, all the presented in my soul. All the ups, all the downs, all the happiness, all the frowns. I got you to thank for all of this.
Alright, we're just about to go through these power lines. I'm not entirely sure if we're going to make it underneath. I'm pretty certain we will, but I'm not 100% sure. Looks freaking close. Oh, we'll be alright. Oh. Holy shit. That was pretty close. Oh shit. Come on, the engine's just cut off. Gee, that's a bit eventful, isn't it? Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't miss next week's episode as we experience a big lightning storm. sail from Peel Island to Mooloolaba. It's quite an awesome episode, so see you then.
From the sea to the cinema.
Feels like we're in another world.
Did days get bigger?
No, days
No.
don't get bigger than that. If you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button. Be part of the crew. Join me on this wild adventure of life. Life's worth living and protecting, and that's what I'm here to do.